Ma'am, this is the one.
This mic. Why? We don't have that.
No, no, this is the proper with the mixer we are coming.
He'll come after 1 hour.
Oh,
नहीं लोगों को पकड़ के करते हैं. बिलाल कहाँ है? उसको पकड़ बिलाल.
ये तो कह रहे हैं कि अभी मत करिए इनॉग्रेशन से पहले कुछ. I'll talk to आशुतोष.
कौन कह रहा है?
ये NFDC वाले तो कह रहे हैं कि इनॉग्रेशन तक प्लीज रुक जाइए. तो I'll tell आशुतोष ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Should we get somebody from Adobe? That's a big brand.
Yeah, some of these people only ask Ashutosh. MIB people should only get the people here. conversation because this will go on waves and everywhere. So, clone OS. So on videos you are making clone of people.
That's right. So mostly on public figures, celebrities, who can digitize their clone and give it to people.
And how do you know? So one question I'll ask is that there are a lot of fake clones and fake videos. How does one deal with that?
So we got a few tech already partnering with us, where we can face recognize and remove all the unauthorized AI content.
Oh,
But
listen, guys, don't look so lost. What is the issue?
oh,
Start seeing actually genuinely that all good and bad ugly is all right.
I
When
have.
you are
You know
at your
what?
stage, then you are indifferent. At my stage, so many years after that, you just think, ye bhi theek, ye bhi theek, ye bhi theek.
But you know what? There were so many times when I felt that you personally has so many stories. You have heard so many stories. You have so much of POV. Interviewing you would be like a next level thing.
Yeah.
And just sitting and having a chat with you,
Yeah.
and having, I
I'm
don't
like a
know,
box full of stories.
absolutely,
Box
and
full
and,
of
and
chocolates.
learnings, man. And
Yeah.
so much learnings.
Yeah. Yeah.
That'll be amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, who's your best thing that you heard? I would not ask who said it, but like what was it that stuck with you even today? I started like back in the day, and that has like you've been following it throughout.
Lot of things,
Okay.
but someone I can tell the name because he's no more, Ratan Tata. He had told,
No way. Lucky you.
yeah, that being lonely, he also felt lonely and it is all right.
It is all right.
Yeah, everyone does feel lonely, and he does. More often than not, he feels lonely.
So what would you say? Is it better to be alone and feel lonely versus being with somebody and then feeling lonely?
I would say alone and being lonely than being with someone and feeling lonely.
Yeah, that sounds.
No, you're talking to
fantastic.
someone who was married. I've been married. I married very early, but I chose to move out because sometimes you can be in a relationship and you can feel very lonely.
Right. Right. Wow.
Yeah, a lot of off the record conversation with people are things that stay because they're the most unfiltered, and
Absolutely. Yes.
on camera everyone little bit gets conscious.
So the interviewing Jensen Huang.
check.
Yeah, then take this. Please take this. Go live with this.
Check. Check one, test one, check. Hey, check.
We have the mics. So you're calling your company Clone OS?
So Clone OS is the product.
Huh?
It's the product. It's the SaaS. The company's name is DCverse.
DCverse, yeah. Oh yes. Yes. Shall we start? ऐसे करेंगे तो 300 इंटरव्यू बोले, एक भी नहीं होगा. Where is the mic? ये चलेगा, लाइव भी आएगा, तो वो बाकी नॉइज कम कैसे होगा?
Mic check.
Okay. So that's why I think we should also have a mic so that people remain a little quiet. Yeah, we should have. हाँ, तभी तो लोग बाकी लोग थोड़े चुप होंगे ना, तभी तो.
You'll be in your vibe.
Hello. Yes.
Check.
Yes. Check.
Take this.
Check.
Take this one.
Yeah. थोड़ा कम. Hello. Yes.
I think I can be a good interviewer.
Huh?
I can be a good interviewer.
Yes, very good. Shall we start?
Sure.
म्यूजिक बंद कर दो ना.
Excuse me.
नहीं, अब नहीं आ रहा. Okay, people, we are going live now, right? चले. ठीक है. Hello and a very good morning from Your Story Live at Waves at MIB Arena in hall number 5 at Bharat Mandapam, and here we are at India's AI Moment and at AI Impact Summit. We will be bringing you throughout the day lot of conversations with founders, investors, corporates and all the people who are here, and this is brought to you by Waves. So here with me, this is our first conversation. We have this young founder, Abhigyan. Abhigyan, he's the founder of DCverse, and he's doing something very exciting with Clone OS. And when we talk about AI, many of us on social media, on internet, are thinking a cloning is happening, and he has something for that. So let's talk to him. What is Clone OS doing? And then I'll come to you on the fake cloning.
Alright. So Clone OS is a platform that enables public figures, celebrities, artists to clone themselves and then lease out their clones to brands and media houses to run them. So basically, in a single day, if you have your clone, you can get your clone to do 100 projects. And the best thing is, they don't really, or the producers, the brands, they don't really have to pay you the amount that you want. It can be just a fraction of the costings. So it saves money for brands, but it also increases your availability and scalability.
Yes. Yeah, I somehow feel that tomorrow the presenters will be clones, right? You don't need to be present to do these kind of conversations.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Abhigyan, but one of the worries that people have is around cloning. That मेरा clone से कुछ भी हो सकता है on internet, if you're out there, कोई भी clone बनाकर कुछ भी कर सकता है.
Right.
How do you deal with that? How do you solve for that?
So we have the safeguards and the guardrails that protects your data set to going out, and then once we have that data set, nobody else can actually come and create any unhinged kind of a content piece right from the platform. So we have that security level already in place. More than that, we also have from the prompting level as well. So let's say if you want to have the filter of you standing in Bombay, let's say you don't want to be there in Bombay, for example, right? Or you're wearing a certain outfit, right? Or you do not. All right, let's take an example that you hate Chanel, and then I come in like Shraddha wearing Chanel, and the
That
AI
will be
will not
great.
let me. The AI will not let me. It will just pause me there. So that kind of filtration system has also been involved there. So that gives the power to the actors, to the public figures.
Yeah, that's interesting. Check out Clone OS
That's
and DCverse, and quickly, if you have to make a 1-minute pitch on DCverse, what all it is doing.
So DCverse is an AI startup that has been building in virtual humans for the past 4 years. Clone OS.
1 second. Is there some dancing happening? Okay,
I think
so
there's some regional communal performance going on
oh, okay.
with other states of.
Hi. Yes. Yeah.
Should we pause?
Yeah, we are all inclusive,
Right.
but you'll have to keep your mic close.
Right. So you tell me, what do you feel about Clone OS? Is this something that you will be using for your interviews, maybe later?
Yes,
In the
I would.
future.
I would be very open because it's humanly impossible. Today we intend to do 300, 400, 500 interviews because there are so many amazing companies here.
Right.
So we want to talk to all of them. So yes, if Clone does it, great. If it brings that same enthusiasm, energy, then amazing. Yes, why not?
That's awesome. So now we have an additional person interested, like an artist.
Yes, but if
To
you
others.
are looking at, having your clones and avatar do different things, then get in touch with Abhigyan and DCverse.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you want to pitch 1 minute your story?
Yeah, sure. Now we
Yeah,
can
yeah. I
start,
think now we can. Let's give it a shot.
All right. So DCverse is a tech startup that started almost 4 years back, where we were focused on virtual humans. We launched India's first male virtual influencer, Shan, and your story covered us then. And now we are coming up with Clone OS because we want real people to be a part of AI world where they can enable themselves using the AI capabilities of hyper creativity and scalability, and make sure that they are present in multiple places. So it's more like an upgrade that we're giving to the actors and artists that feel threatened with AI and its capabilities. So that's what we are doing. Right
Thank you,
now.
Abhigyan.
So much.
All the very best. We as Indians and the startup ecosystem are very proud of the work that you're doing, and go on to create magic with AI.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pleasure
Thanks a
talking to
lot.
Shraddha.
Thank you. So do get in touch with DCverse. Thank you. Okay. Who's the next? What's the next? Yes, please. Oh, sorry. Of course I remember you. Yes. Yes. I'm getting old, but I remember. No.
When will you give me your data to create your clone? Secondly, if you think that if I ask the right kind of questions to you, I would love to work with you.
Oh, let's do that. No, let's do that. I'm here in Delhi, so let's talk. Meet. Yes. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sorry, my name is Malhar. Malhar Patil. I'm the co-founder of Flam, FLAM.
Yes.
Yes.
So tell us the Flam story.
Yes. So we started. So we are three graduates from BITS Pilani.
Okay.
Started working in 2020. Launched the like registered the company in 2021, and since then it has been a crazy ride. So we are based here in primarily based in Bangalore. We have an office in SF as well, and like glad to be a part of the AI Impact Summit and building in India for the globe.
Wow. And what do you exactly do?
Right. So we are working, like when we started, we had this primary belief that the world is going to move beyond videos as a content format, right? And we are working towards building the AI native content wherein you can create and consume content on your smartphone, which will be far more interactive and engaging. So right from having like real-time characters with hyper-real lip syncing available, from adding those to your regular websites to adding to any of your workflows.
I have a question around this. And especially because we come from content world, it has been very expensive to do this. And when we look at movies like Avatar and all that, the budget, and we hear about the crazy, insane budget that it took to make a movie like this. When you do videos, how economical is it?
So, great question. Firstly, this is exactly what we have built out as well. So, we have a creation and a consumption journey put together. So, when I say creation journey, so you can write prompts and create 3D content right from products to, so you can have a headphone to have convert into a 3D experience, right, by just writing some prompts. And simultaneously, it could be rendered on the smartphone on a real-time basis. So, right from creating to consuming 3D content in like 1 minute.
Wow, brilliant. And have you started working with companies, brands?
Yeah, so we work with more than 30% of the Fortune 500 companies. So we have Google, Samsung, Salesforce, all of these companies as our clients. And we have been scaling across India specifically because that's where we started, that's our roots are. But we are globally across more than 20 countries right now. So it's been the last 2 years of monetization for us has been really, really crazy, right? So currently we have like small team setups in San Francisco, Tokyo, Bangalore, and New Delhi.
Wow, this is fantastic. And to, many of and rightly so, many people are skeptic that with this whole AI and investment in AI, are the startups, are the companies actually monetizing? So Flam is actually showing to us that you can monetize and expand globally, and Indian founders, Indian product across the world. So that's phenomenal.
Thank you so much. Glad to be a part of the journey.
And last question, you are working with all these Fortune companies. ये हमारे जैसे छोटे-छोटे company के लिए तुम्हारे पास कोई offer है?
So, gladly, like that you asked, earlier this year, like in almost a month ago, start of January, we launched our own self-serve platform where we are seeing a lot of like MSMEs also picking up the option. So, I'll give you an example. There was a small dental clinic in Madhya Pradesh who actually created their character of the founder itself, and that was now acting as a part of their marketing communication across all over. And they did that in the span of like 7 days on the Flam platform.
Wow. Very proud of Flam story. And this is India's AI moment. We are here at AI Impact Summit. Check out Flam. Fantastic story.
Thank you so much,
All
Shraddha.
the very
Thank you so
best.
much.
Thank you. Hi. Hello. Hi. Yes. Yes. Aditya. Tell us your story. Yes. Bilal, while people are waiting, can you send them my link to like also so that we amplify?
So this link is already gone.
No, not the my links, which are there, which are posted on social. To the founders whom I am interviewing, please tell them to like it at least. Yes. Yeah, it's on Twitter also. I'm making you do my work. नहीं Twitter पे जाइए. अभी Instagram पे तो story में डाला है. While we're meeting you. Like I'm so bad, but I am this. What do? I have to make this most buzzing. So I'm just going to like this from yours, and I'm going to save button basically for bring. शुरू करें? Hi.
सारे कैमरा हाथ में नहीं लगे।
is 500 amazing founder stories. Okay, so I am here with Aditya Kashyap, founder of Cinedubs. And what is he doing? Tell us Cinedub story.
In a single line, we allow people to watch movie in theater in their preferred language while the movie is screening in a different language.
Really, is this possible today?
Oh, it's been happening for the last 3 years that we are in the market. 42 countries, people are enjoying the movies in their preferred language through us.
Wow. Phenomenal, fantastic. Many of you would have not gone to theater. So it's happening right now?
Yes, yes. So we have recently done Anaconda in English, Hindi, Tamil and Telugu. And an Indian living in US can go to an Anaconda English screening and watch the movie in Hindi or maybe Tamil or Telugu.
Again, a very real, practical usage application of AI.
Absolutely.
And you were telling me about your brand ambassador and some story. Tell us.
So, yeah, the life has been different since the day he came on board. And I still remember meeting him for the first day. He was here
And he is R. Madhavan.
Yes, Mr. R.
Yes,
Madhavan,
yes.
yeah. So I wanted to meet him for Rocketry. And he was there in the press meet, busy for the last 4 hours. I was waiting for 4 hours. And then finally he sat in his van to go to the airport. I got 5 minutes to talk to him in the van. And I showed him the demo, and he immediately not only said yes for the movie, he said yes to become a brand ambassador of the product.
Wow. Wow. And that shows the power of the product that you've built. Now tell me, why is it possible to build a Cinedubs today vis-a-vis 5 years back?
So I faced that issue, and I felt it needs to be addressed. I was in Paris, wanted to watch Mission Impossible. All the theaters were showing the movie in French. I don't understand French. English was available not in that country. So I thought there are many people who do not live in their country, home country, or in case of India, in their home state. A movie today, when it's dubbed, let's say Dhurandhar 2 releasing on March 19th, it is dubbed in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam as well. But where will you think the Tamil version will be playing or screening? In Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
What about the Tamilians living in Delhi, Mumbai, Gujarat, UP, anywhere? So now a Tamilian living anywhere in India can go to a Hindi show or a Telugu show or a Malayalam show or a Kannada show and watch the movie in Tamil.
Wow.
And vice versa.
Can you talk to us about the technology?
So it's a patent technology called three-dimensional classified frequency indexing. It's a complicated
Three-dimensional classified
frequency indexing.
frequency indexing.
3D CFI. So basically, what happens is when you select your language on the app, on the mobile phone, on the app, and when you hit play button in the theater, you can enter theater after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whenever. Movie has already started. So when you hit the play button, from that moment, it takes 5 seconds for your phone to sync with the movie running on the screen. And there is no connection with the theater. So you can be anywhere in the world. If a movie is screening there, use the mobile phone, the app. The app is available globally. It's available in every country. So the technology behind it is that the mic of the headphone listens to the sound, in 5 seconds identifies where the movie is.
Wow.
And picks up that one frame. So movie runs at 24 frames per second.
Yes.
We pick up that one frame out of the 24 frames per second and sync it. That's the precision of it. You must experience it at our booth. You really need to experience it once to know about the power.
Wow. Wow. And Aditya, explain why is this possible today because of the AI? Was it possible to build a technology like this, something like this 5-10 years back?
No, not really.
Huh.
And actually, I'm missing a very important point here. I'm just talking about language. But we are also helping visually impaired and hearing impaired people to experience movies in the theaters.
Yeah.
Through audio description and closed captions. And AI is playing a big role in this, in generating the audio description and closed captions for the disabled audience. So earlier there used to be dedicated shows for visually impaired people, where the movie will be screening along with audio description. Now you don't need a dedicated show. They can go to any normal show through our app, and it's free. We don't charge them. So it's free. They of course need to buy the movie ticket and then sit in the theater, enjoy the movie along with audio description. Similarly, for visually impaired with closed captions.
And how do you monetize?
So we charge a normal consumer 29 rupees. That's the
Okay.
minimum. I wanted to charge 10 rupees, but Android and Apple doesn't allow you to charge less than 29 rupees.
Wow, this is brilliant, fantastic. We are very proud. And here at AI Impact Summit, what we are seeing is real, practical, usable, scalable AI startups and right here, Indian entrepreneurs who are building products which are being used globally. Check out Cine Dubs. And if you are here at this venue, then go. It's in hall number 5, right? Yes. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Thanks
It's a pleasure.
lot,
Thank you.
Aditya. Yeah, I think so.
Is this work? Okay.
Yes.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Been a very interesting few years.
Yeah. Do you
Long
have
time.
do you have a stall here?
Right there.
Oh.
You should
okay.
come by. I'll show you some very interesting stuff.
Okay,
The
done.
most interesting in the world today.
Most interesting in the world.
I put my name on it.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
I call it Adya AI. Adya stands for Devi Durga, the original power in the universe. And you know how in Jan 2026 Claude Code and all of this has come into life where AI is building AI?
Yes.
So about 99% of the entire work in this entire India AI Impact Summit could be built by AI systems in a day. You know the years that all of this has taken to build, it could be done in a day by AI. And that's true. That's a power we've unlocked in Jan. Adya is India's response to those global platforms. It's Claude Code plus NA10 plus Replete rolled into one. You know, in the last 2 months, 12,000 platforms have been built on Adya by 10,000 developers. You can simply go there and say, build this recruitment system for me. Build this marketing system for me or this cinema building system for me. And it'll build it for you in runtime. You could go
Wow.
for your morning coffee, come back and it's done.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
That's a power that we need to give to India. We are building small models that don't require large language models, don't require GPUs, will do the entire data management by itself, will go to the internet, run the websites, run the applications for you. Everything that you read that, okay, the US is doing, China is doing, there's one platform that is doing it in Adya. We
Brilliant.
built state-of-the-art systems for energy transformation, drug discovery, biofoundational models for Indian genes, all of this built in the last few months on Adya.
Wow. It's spelled at ADHYA.
No, ADYA, Adya.
Adya. You'll be the best person to answer this. One of the criticisms that we get as a country is that where are we in the AI race when it comes to innovation and building innovative applications and solutions? Because US is so ahead. What do you have to say on that?
I think when it comes to AI, innovation has to exist at 5 layers. At the energy chips layer, we will not be able to compete yet. At the model layer, we are kind of competitive at a small model layer, but not at a large model layer. So at the platform layer, we can beat the rest of the world and then create the entire application layer from top. What that means is you need to create the platform on which everybody can create whatever. You know what I've been doing in the last 3 months? I've been going around India city by city, university by university, activating tens of thousands of developers across India, telling them, stop doing theory, build practical systems, and go to market. Don't become job seekers, become job providers. That is why today, I mean, right after this, I'm going to Chandigarh to activate 10,000 developers in Chandigarh on 20th of February. So this is true. India has this unlimited potential. The human potential of India, the engineering, the logical talent we have. Empower them with a platform like this and see the magic happen. We don't need to sit second to any country. We are first.
Yes. So what you're saying is Adya is a platform where anyone can come and build all kinds of applications.
They have already. Can you believe you built biofoundational models for cancer research? Can you believe that we built drug discovery systems that will do drug discovery in runtime? This is not Google. This is a small startup sitting in India that is doing autonomous drones that can run straight into enemy territory without even any operator, do its work and come back. These are systems that are doing diabetes management without needing any doctor intervention. These are all being built on Adya in runtime. I'm telling you, 99% of the work that you see in this entire AI Impact Summit could be built by that platform, supported by the developers in India, and then taken to market instantly.
Brilliant. How much time did it take for you to build this?
So we built out a large language model in 2024 that beat OpenAI. NVIDIA got very excited about it. They groomed us for a month in their office. And then I think it was about November or December 2024 when we started. And finally in January 2025, we bit the bullet and we said, let's build a platform that India will be proud of, that can take India to the next level. And so then Google's been doing a lot of launches with us, pan-India, so is AWS and Microsoft. By the way, very interesting. Adya is the only agentic platform from India that is in the global benchmarks. We are world number 4. There is no startup from India that's on the global benchmarks except us.
Wow.
That's the kind of core research we've done.
Wow. Very proud of you. Very, very proud of you. Now tell me, how much capital did it take to build this?
I've not raised any money.
I'm very proud of you.
Yeah.
No, but then why I'm asking you this question is that there is this belief that to build, to do this kind of R&D, to do this kind of deep tech, you require capital.
That's a US narrative. That's not an Indian narrative. I think India has such insane talent sitting in tier 2, tier 3 cities. If you are a good founder, go there. Find that talent. Imbibe them with your philosophy, with your vision. They'll come and work with you. They'll build the best systems in the world. Those are the same guys that go to US and become Satya Nadellas. We don't give them that opportunity in India. Make them co-builders with you. Why not?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I love your confidence also. Are you still in Hyderabad?
No, I moved to Mumbai. This is a fully remote team though. They're sitting all over India. My team sits in tier 2 cities. My head of research sits in a village I've never heard of in Andhra Pradesh because he loves staying in villages. The kind of work we're doing is like the largest of the companies from US are chasing us. Give us your tech. And I go around India. I'm loving it. This is the kind of stuff that's up our speed. People say AI is moving too fast. I'm saying it's not moving fast enough.
Wow. Yes. Needless to say, I remain proud of you. When did we meet last? 5 years back.
5 years back, we did that interesting session, but yes.
Yes. This is amazing. So now if you have to make a 1-minute pitch to everyone, say my name is this is what I do.
Hi, I'm Shayak. I'm the founder, CEO, CTO of Adya. I'm an ex-Indian Navy officer, retired Lieutenant Commander. I build systems around the globe. And today at Adya AI, you can build your large language models, your multi-agentic systems whatever you dream of building, come and talk to the AI. The AI will build it for you and take it to market for you. You don't need funding, you don't need a team. You need Adya AI. Come build.
Yay! If I can clap to this.
Thank you.
Brilliant, Shag. Very, very proud of you.
Love the enthusiasm that you bring to the table. You've been such an inspiration for startups all over India. We need more Shraddhas in this country.
Thank you. If we have founders like you, there'll be many more. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thanks.
Hi. Good. What's your name?
My name is Mohsen.
Mohsen.
Yes.
Mohsen, what's your story?
My story is one of India's, which is that we've got all the technology in the world. We've got the infrastructure on the AI, but the missing piece is the cognitive layer, which is the human potential, human ability to actually leverage incredible technologies like we've just heard
Yes.
from Adya. Ultimately, it boils down to how well are we able to leverage that technology. And that's the layer of infrastructure that I'm building.
Wow. Okay. So at what stage are you in terms of building that layer?
It's ready.
Oh.
And we are already deployed in multiple countries. And India continues to be an interesting market for us. So we want to be here as well.
Oh, and where are you based otherwise?
We're a global team, and I'm based out of Bombay now. And I'm an Indian by birth. Yes, and I'm very proud. I came back to India 15 years ago, and
Wow.
I wrote an article on your story saying, "Don't leave India." That's when all of my friends were leaving India to go to Silicon Valley, and I did the very opposite. I came here and built here, and today.
Mohsen, let me just say on behalf of all of us, you are an Indian, we are an Indian. We are very proud of you.
Thank
very
you.
proud. You should be like an ambassador. Be in India, feel proud about India and build in India.
Build in India because there's so much potential.
Yes.
And the creativity that we have in India. I teach game design at a French design school, and one of the things that I teach there is how well game designers in India can build systems that can actually solve global problems like climate change, for example.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, now if you had to say one thing that we could do better.
It's definitely not prompt engineering. The mindset is that can we think about the intent of what are we trying to solve before we actually throw a problem statement at our AIs. Instead of writing just okayish better emails, we need to start thinking about what are the problems we're trying to solve and how can we solve them in a long-term mindset. And so we did a research about a year and a half ago where we analyzed 20,000 game simulations where leaders were playing these games, making good and bad decisions. And we said, what does this tell us? And we found a cognitive architecture which involves 5 cognitive processes that help us work with AI better.
Okay.
And we see a 20 to 30% improvement in how the AI provides an output to these people.
And tell us one of these.
Activation, forecasting, experimentation, realization, and reflection. These are the 5 cognitive processes. If we engage with, we'd be able to drive better AI outcomes and results. Right now, we only work with AI with experimentation. That means there are 4 cognitive processes waiting to be tapped into to leverage all the technology that we have in places like this.
Yeah.
So that an average individual is able to maximize the outcome of AI.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you want to make a 1-minute pitch to everyone who's listening to you right now?
Absolutely. I would say that it is time that India starts to look at the cognitive architecture of AI along with the tech architecture of AI. AFR is an open source model which is meant for you to use, for game designers, for developers, for engineers, and business leaders to use to improve not just their own lives, but the lives of their teams and the outcomes that they get from their business and the work that they do.
Brilliant. And brilliant pitch also.
Thank you.
Yes.
Lovely
All
chat.
the very best, Mohsen.
Take care.
Thank you.
Pause for a moment, we'll get
I'm so sorry. What's your name? Ram Milan Sharma. Yes. Ram. Should I call you Ram Milan or Ram?
राम
Ram. बताइए. What are you building?
मैं एक अलग तरह की स्टोरी आपको बताना
हाँ, मैं
चाहता
तो
हूँ
सुनने के लिए एकदम तैयार हूँ. बताइए. अब माइक थोड़ा पास रखिए क्योंकि आवाज आ रहा है उधर
अजय जी
से.
हाँ
हाँ.
ये जंगो कंपनी से मैं आया हूँ.
हाँ.
न्यूजरा टेक लैब प्राइवेट लिमिटेड है ये. इसके सीईओ और फाउंडर मेरे बेटे हैं श्रेय शर्मा,
हाँ.
जो आपके द्वारा भेजे गए हैं बर्लिन, और बर्लिन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में हैं वो.
अच्छा.
और उनको मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा हूँ. वैसे मैं भी एक डायरेक्टर हूँ इसमें, प्राइवेट लिमिटेड में. मैं जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट से रिटायर हो गया हूँ. इसके बाद फिर मैं इनके साथ एसोसिएट हूँ.
माइक को पास रखिए.
टेक्निकली शायद मैं उतना नहीं बता पाऊँ, लेकिन आउटसाइडर जो स्टोरी है वो आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा.
हाँ, बताइए.
इनके जन्म से इनको श्रेय को कंप्यूटर से बहुत ज़्यादा लगाव था. 4 साल की उम्र में इन्हें मुझसे कंप्यूटर लिया और बहुत सारी जो काम करते थे तो वो हैंग हो जाता था, और वहाँ टेक्नीशियन आता था तो उससे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन करते थे कि ये कैसे बना, कंप्यूटर किसने खोजा. टेक्नीशियन को ये पता नहीं रहता था कि किसने बनाया कंप्यूटर, कैसे डेवलप हुआ. कुछ दिन के बाद टेक्नीशियन आना बंद हो गए. मैंने जिससे परचेज़ किया था उसके यहाँ मैं गया. मैंने कहा यार वो 15 दिन से मेरा कंप्यूटर ख़राब है और बेटे के लिए लिया था और वो काम नहीं कर पा रहा. बोले सर एक बात बताऊँ, हमारे टेक्नीशियन जाते हैं वो सुधारना तो जानते हैं लेकिन उसकी स्टोरी पता नहीं रहती है. इस कारण से जब वो पूछते हैं तो बड़ी उनकी पोजीशन ऑकवर्ड हो जाती है, बता नहीं पाते हैं. फिर आपका बेटा बताता है कि नहीं ये कौन सी जनरेशन का कंप्यूटर है. तो ऐसी स्थिति में हमने आपके बेटे का नाम इस छोटे से शहर में छतरपुर में बिल गेट ऑफ छतरपुर रखा है.
Bill Gates of Chhatarpur. This is first. We are listening at AI Impact Summit. Yes.
तो बोले जब भी आपका मैसेज आता है तो बोले बिल गेट के यहाँ हम नहीं जाएंगे सर, आप चले जाइए. तो मुझे आना पड़ेगा आपके यहाँ ऐसे करके. फिर इसके बाद इनने IIT खड़गपुर से कंप्यूटर साइंस में इनकी जिद थी कि मैं IIT से ही करूँगा और कंप्यूटर साइंस ही करूँगा. पहली अटेम्प्ट में एक अच्छी रैंक आई, मिल गया. खड़गपुर से इनने IIT खड़गपुर से बीटेक और एमटेक किया. इसके बाद इनको US जाना था.
ओके, सो ये फिनिश करते हैं ना. हाँ
बस. तो ये US गए, 5 साल वहाँ रहे. उसके बाद इन्होंने ये जंगो कंपनी बनाई जो AI पे काम करती है. AI एजेंट बनाते हैं, आपके बिजनेस के हिसाब से उसको जो है कस्टमाइज़ करते हैं. और अभी इन्होंने एक आपकी फिल्म फेस्टिवल के लिए एक 6 मिनट की AI की फिल्म भी बनाई है जो शायद दिखाई जाएगी
बर्लिन में.
हाँ जी हाँ, बर्लिन यहाँ भी बनाया है उसमें. और फिर इसके बाद जो है अभी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. और एक ही मैसेज है कि सारे यदि देश के लोग जो सैन फ्रांसिस्को में हैं या बाहर हैं, यदि वो इंडिया आ जाएं तो इंडिया नंबर 1 हो जाएगा. ये मेरी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना और ये मेरी उम्मीद है. लेकिन जो अभी श्रेय बोलते हैं कि पापा यहाँ पर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की कमी है, जैसा कि US में है, यदि वो हमें मिल जाए और हम सब लोग यहाँ आ जाएं तो दुनिया में कोई भी ऐसा देश नहीं जो हमसे आगे जा पाए.
वाह, क्या बात है. और मैं ये भी बात कहूँगी कि दैट व्हाट यू आर शोइंग एंड व्हाट यू आर टीचिंग ऑल ऑफ अस, कि to all the parents also, that a father-son startup combo. So that is very unique and that is special.
नहीं, मैं एक और बात बताऊँ. ये जो इंडिया आए हैं, मैं हर 6 महीने में जाता था. वो अपनी बातें बताते थे, मैं कहता था इंडिया चलो, अपन को अपने देश के लिए करना है. और इसीलिए वो इंदौर से पढ़े हुए हैं. उन्होंने इंदौर से वो काम शुरू किया और उनका विज़न ये है कि पहले सैन फ्रांसिस्को से चीज़ें इंदौर आती थी, अब इंदौर से बन के SF जाएंगी. ये मेरा एम है. और इसके लिए उन्होंने क्या किया है, पूरे बाल रखा और दाढ़ी वाड़ी सब, और बाल वाल नहीं, बोले जब ये पूरा करूँगा तब बाल कटवा.
And that is what makes India special. It is the talent, it is the people, it is the young people who are driving. To Shrey Sharma, who is in Berlin representing the movie and the India story. So thank you so much.
Thank you मैडम, बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं तो श्रेय के लिए बोलने आया था, मेरा तो अपना कुछ था नहीं.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.
Your name?
Hello. Yeah, it's on.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Ayushi. I'm the founder of Magic Roll AI, which is an autonomous video editing platform. So हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म क्या करता है, ये कोई भी वीडियो को या आपके पास कोई भी प्रॉम्प्ट हो, it can create it in a social media ready videos in taking care of all the vernacular language of India and across the globe, and make it social media ready by adding the motion graphics and everything on the platform.
Very good. This is so very useful and very required in this social
Yes.
media world.
Yes, yes.
Now tell me, is it very user friendly for a layman?
Correct. So we started our platform building for the creators who doesn't have any technical expertise of Adobe Premiere or any platform like DaVinci. So we make sure कि वो इतना ज़्यादा robust हो, इतना ज़्यादा user friendly हो, and through AI our platform learns according to your creator way. So whenever you do any tweak on the platform, it understands the way of the storytelling and understand the way how creator is editing the video. So next time he doesn't have to iterate every work every time.
Okay, and what is it called?
It's called Magic Roll AI.
Magic Roll.
Yeah.
ROLL.
Just right. वीडियो का जो रोल होता है ना वैसे ही.
हाँ, वीडियो का रोल, मैजिक रोल, और उससे आपका सारा एडिटिंग हो जाएगा.
सारा
तो
editing
मुझे अब
हो जाएगा.
एडिटर्स की जरूरत नहीं है.
I believe editor की जरूरत है, but editor will be much more efficient in that way. We are not eradicating editors, please. We are just making them much more efficient. And आप 4 वीडियो एक दिन में पब्लिश कर पाओगे, rather than आप एक वीडियो अगर पब्लिश करते हो तो.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, इसको हम ट्राई करेंगे. एंड हाउ कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव इज इट?
So we are 5x more effective because our model is proprietary model. In-house we have 100 plus GPUs in-house as well, and we are also catering our in-house model. So right now we are serving it as a $25 to hardly $1.25 rupees for one videos, which is much more efficient than any.
$25?
Yeah, for 20 videos.
हाँ.
So
I thought for one video $25.
ना तब तो दिक्कत
So
हो
for
जाएगी.
25 video $25.
Yes, almost $1, 90 रुपए के आसपास.
हाँ, 90 रुपए में एक वीडियो एडिट हो
Yes,
जाएगा.
autonomously without any manual
उसमें
intervention.
वो भी आ जाएगा, कैप्शन.
Captions, motion graphics, dynamics, everything.
शिवाजी, please use it. Start
Sure.
using Magic Roll.
And हमारे तीनों को founders है बिहार से. हम बिहार से आते हैं.
My God, ये तो पहले बोलना चाहिए था.
मैंने सोचा मैं हम कर रही हूँ तो आपको पता चल जाएगा तो
तुम तो इतने इंग्लिश बोल रही थी तो I couldn't make up. I'm so proud of you guys.
Thank you, Shraddha.
And where are
Thank
you
you.
based?
So we are based out of Bangalore, and we came here because we are also the top 30 finalist of AI by Her, which is a global summit. So yesterday we recognized there in the Sushma Swaraj Bhavan, and today we are here. Our booth is there in the WebEx Creator itself.
Where is it?
Just outside.
Oh, here only.
Yeah, here
In
in
hall
this
number.
pavilion. हाँ, we are the part of this WebEx Pavilion as well. We are one of the top 30 startups here for the Kala Setu Challenge. We were the winners, and that's why we got the booth here. And we are showcasing our product to ministers as well. I guess he's already arrived.
Oh, the minister has arrived.
Yes, he is.
No. Secretary
Acha,
sir is
yeah.
there. Yes. So, all the very best. If you want to pitch 1 minute pitch अगर करना है, इतना तुम तो pitch expert हो गई होगी, अभी तक करो 1 minute का pitch.
So hi everyone, I am Ayushi. I am the co-founder of Magic Roll AI, and we are building an AI motion video editing infrastructure that edit or create your video autonomously and make it ready to scale. So do try it and let us know how it goes. Thank you.
And this is also, all these editing happens for only 90 rupees. She's saying motion graphic भी लगता है, सब कुछ हो जाता है 90
सब कुछ हो
रुपए
जाता
में.
है, सब कुछ हो जाता है.
Yes.
So
very proud of you.
Thank you, Shraddha.
Proud of you as entrepreneur, as a girl, woman entrepreneur, as a Bihari entrepreneur, and as an AI entrepreneur. So there's so many amazing things. So
Thank
all the
you.
best to Magic Roll.
Thank you,
Keep the
Shraddha.
magic happening.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, so now we are done. Bye.
21.
Yes, nice to meet you. Just keep the mic little closer.
Yeah, right.
Yes. So, what's your name?
I'm Saurabh Gupta in Telemo.ai.
Oh yes, Saurabh. Tell everyone your story today.
So our story started with Your Story 2021. We were Tech 50. We built ready-made ad templates for brands.
Yes.
We were like the Canva of India. And from there, we have been iterating, fine-tuning our platform. And we have recently launched our Cinematic Stories platform, where you can directly just put your script. It will create the whole storyboard, clips, lip sync, everything. And then you can distribute it to get attention of your audience in the best manner possible.
And are the brands using it right now?
Yes. So it's like we are having one story being created every 2 minutes on our platform.
Wow. And it is completely automated?
Completely.
How much of manual intervention is required?
So you have to just put your characters. You can choose our avatars as well. The main thing that we have solved is narrative consistency, voice consistency, character consistency. Because if you use Veo or any other top platforms right now, they don't provide you character consistency and voice consistency. What we have done is that we have done agentic framework where you just put the images, context, person, voice, just select that. Put even one line script like Saurabh going to Thailand and enjoying, or Saurabh promoting any brand and the product is coming up in that manner. You just put a 2-line script. Our platform creates the whole script, scene by scene, shot by shot, then creates the missing elements if they are there for consistency, then creates the frames just like an editor would do, and then the clips from that, and then the lip sync from that, and then delivers the final product on your email.
Wow. And how much does it cost?
So it costs around 2,000 rupees per minute.
That's not bad, right?
Right. You can create a whole film for 1.5 lakhs. 90-minute film.
Really?
Yeah.
You'll give me discount, then let's do a film. Huh?
Definitely.
Okay, now you're going on record and saying you'll give discount.
Definitely.
But
Why
this
not?
is possible. A movie,
Right.
90-minute movie with all these things are possible at 1.5 lakh rupees.
Right.
Wow. All the very best. Where is your stall?
So we are just placed here
Okay.
within Wavex.
Yes,
So
we'll come and see you.
Definitely.
Yes, thank you so much and great progress, phenomenal progress.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
I have a request. All the videos that we are doing, if we can those and give it to the founders, the link, and if they can put it that watch us on Waves and put those links, then please make that happen, right? Abhi, yes. We have not got all the details. We have not got all the details of all the founders.
We have, no? All
Yes, sorry, what's your name?
Hi, good morning. I'm Sarthak.
Sarthak. Sarthak, tell us your story.
So, I am the founder of Koyozo, and we are bringing next-gen gaming experiences to mobile.
Okay.
So, this is what our product looks like. And yeah, that's what we are doing.
So tell us about this.
So, we started with a very simple problem, right? I am a gamer, all of my friends are gamers, but a really simple problem we came up with. I had a PlayStation, and my friends didn't, so I couldn't play with them when I wanted to. But everybody has a mobile, right? So when we started playing on mobile, a lot of problems came up. So that's when we started doing this. And yeah, problems like just a touch screen isn't good. There's a lot of setup involved and everything, which our generation doesn't really do. We don't do setup times. So we came up with a simpler solution. If I were just to show you.
Let me hold the mic for you. Yeah.
So all the setup that is required is just to plug it in and you start playing.
Oh.
So that's it. Yeah. So
very interesting.
Average setup times of 5 minutes are now down to 5 seconds. So that's what we have been doing. And we have built up a lot of tech of our own also. So now we have come up with a technology called PlaySync. So any non-controller supported games, you can make it supported with a click of a button with our application called Koyozo Club.
And is it out in the market?
It's in pre-launch right now, so you can pre-book it right now at koyozo.com. But yeah.
Spell it again.
Koyozo.com. Koyozo.com.
Koyozo.
Yeah.
How come you've named it Koyozo?
So honestly, .com मिल रहा था, तो we were just like, yeah. But yeah.
Cool सा है Koyozo.
Koyozo.com. Yeah.
And so order it. How much is it for?
So you can get it for 5,000 right now if you pre-book it. And yeah, you can be part of a beta testing cohort. So we are just improving the product day by day. We just added a remote play feature. So with that, you can connect it to your PC and you can play anywhere. Even if you're traveling in between meetings, if you're getting bored, you can just plug it in and start playing. So
is there an alternative to this in the market?
We are the first ones from India to be doing it.
Wow.
Right. Yeah.
So Koyozo.com.
Yes.
Sarthak is the builder, the first one in India, and you are seeing it here right at AI Impact Summit. Yes, all the very best.
Thank you.
And please pre-order, pre-book. Let's use it.
Yeah, let's go in. Let's game India.
Yes, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yes. Hi, yes.
I'm Nakul, co-founder of Devanagari AI.
Devanagari AI.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we are a multilingual intelligent infrastructure layer, helping the brands to personalize their business communications using AI. So the kind of problem what we are solving for the brands typically is, be it the text-to-text problem or be it the voice-to-voice related problem. So the major problem in Bharat, if we call, is that 90% of India doesn't know English, or they do not want to, converse in their local language. They want to converse in their local language. So if you talk about the content available in India on the internet, it's all English. So why English is becoming a language barrier when we talk about scaling of Bharat? So that is where we are coming into picture and building the kind of tech stack which can actually enable the enterprises to create a lot of content, or be it the support system in their local language, so that the real Bharat, when they are communicating with the businesses, can actually use their local conviction while discussing or sharing anything with the brands. So this is what we are building.
Wow. Now tell me something. One challenge we've seen in local language translation. I'm assuming this is translation.
So this is beyond translation. Translation is now becoming a piece.
Huh.
So it is more about understanding the intent of the customer, what the intent is, कि customer बोलना क्या चाहता है, and then replying to the customer in the related fashion, and that too in their local language.
How accurate have we become in that?
So I think now accuracy is becoming very, very subjective, because when you actually talk about the tech stacks what we have typically built, it's the quality is decent enough to be understood by anyone. What matters most is more about कि customer किस तरीके से सुनना चाहता है या business किस तरीके से बोलना चाहता है, right? Because every brand have their own kind of tone. So it is more about personalizing and tone setting rather than talking about the quality, because quality is now becoming very, very subjective.
Yeah, and you are saying that in the getting the context right.
Absolutely, context and the intent. So context is one part of the story, and then what matters most is the intent. Intent as in ke when I am saying something, so how a system is actually conceiving that part of the story and then replying to that, right? So that is the most important thing which requires, right? So this is where we are actually building the models on, and these are all multilingual models, and which have been used by, we are fortunate enough to work closely with a lot of ministries and also with a lot of BFSI customers. So I think the kind of models is something what we are building is actually getting accepted by the brands.
Brilliant, brilliant. This is, one has been looking for solutions like this, right? And now you're saying finally it's possible. What makes it, more accurate, more relevant now in the AI era?
Absolutely, it's a great question. So what matters most is again the data sets, the multilingual data sets, right? So as we know that AI requires data. And this data is something we have been collated for almost 5 years now, because being a startup also, we have been into this space for 5 years. We have actually worked with the customer so closely that we have that kind of multilingual data which we have typically used while training these kind of models.
Yeah, yeah. Your 1 minute pitch.
My 1 minute pitch. Okay, so hi, I am Nakul Kundra. I am the co-founder of Devanagari. So about Devanagari, Devanagari is a multilingual intelligent infrastructure layer. We are helping the brands to personalize their multilingual business communications using AI. So the kind of tech stack what we have belongs to us, and this is the reason we are working with the government and the BFSI very, very closely, because the models and we also understand the compliances related to the data, and this is where we are gaining the momentum in the market. Thank you.
Great. All the very best, Nakul. This
Thank
is
you.
brilliant.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thanks
Sharda.
a lot.
Thanks.
Thanks. Yeah.
Oh, he's the founder, but then I'm working with him. I got the organization.
Oh, you working with him?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I was coming, but then I thought I'll give him the chance.
Yes. Where's the mic? Yes, Namita, tell us your story.
I am building AI-based using vision technology ad recommendation platform for media and advertising industry. So essentially, biggest pain point for a brand is capturing attention, right? And user don't like to see an ad; they hate to see an ad, right? And our research showed that 65% of YouTube users skip ad if given a chance in less than 5 seconds. So traditionally, this problem was solved by placing the product in the content, okay? But these are cumbersome, very expensive, takes long lead time. So we use technology, which is AI vision technology, to actually automate the entire process of in-content advertising. And through this, we are able to do the product placement very seamlessly, and you are able to get unskippable brand integration experience, thereby enhancing the storytelling. So our patented smart ranking algorithm does the scene analysis in just 5 steps, and it's plug and play model, very quick, very less lead time, as good as 5 days you are able to take your campaign live. And we are able to do the product placement by building the 3D model using AI technology just by a simple high resolution image. So with this, we are able to actually place the product in the streaming content, post-production, okay, and absolutely cost-effective and scalable.
And very seamless.
Very seamless. So we are currently technology partner for Jio Hotstar, and we are trying to democratize the entire commerce of content, so that content creators should be able to monetize their content very easily through brand integrations, etc.
Brilliant. What is it called again?
AdMod.
AdMod.
So add on mobile and OTT platforms.
Wow.
Integration.
Wow.
Yeah.
So even if my production, everything is ready, I can integrate
Correct.
it.
Correct. So we have worked with brands like Philips, Voltas, so all FMCG brands who want to have a recall of their product. This is the best way and very easy way to do brand integration in the content.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant. All the very best. If you have a pitch, you want to make a 1 minute pitch, then please go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, we are a technology platform trying to seamlessly enable a content creator to monetize their content through virtual product placement. Through our AI-driven platform, we are trying to move the ad inside the story.
Yeah.
Yeah. This way, we are trying to convert wasted ad expenditure into meaningful connection between the brand and the creator and audiences. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you
very
so much,
sir.
Namita. Brilliant. All the best.
Thank you very much. So if you remember, we met at Ministry of, DIPP. when
Yes.
you were starting up your system.
Yeah, that's what I when I
Amitabh Khan.
yes, that's
We were
why
in the same room.
yes, that's why I looked at you and then I thought that I have met you. Yes, I have a request to my team. 1 second, come here. No, not there. ये सारी Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Gaurav. Tell us your story.
So, I'm Gaurav Kanabar, CEO and founder of Alfonso Technology.
No, you have to be loud.
I'm Gaurav Kanabar, CEO and founder of Alfonso Technology. So, we are into content and tech. So, on content side, we acquire content to distribute across the world. And on the tech side, we have OTT platforms, music platforms, and ticketing platform that we want to integrate all three platforms to seamlessly make sure that user have all the experience inside the platforms.
Okay. So now you'll have to simplify and tell me the story. So exactly hota kya hai?
Yeah. So exactly we have a OTT platform called MA Vision. It's a pay-per-view platform, and that we have
MM Vision.
MA Vision, correct?
MA.
Yeah. AMA.
AMA Vision.
Yeah.
Haan.
So in MA Vision we have about 150 hours of content. It includes movies, micro dramas, TV series that we
आपका खुद का OTT platform है.
जी.
हाँ.
जी. And now we are integrating AI in a way that out of जो movie का clip होता है, so from that movie clip we generate automatic clips for the micro dramas using the AI.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the same way, we want to do it for like every other platform. We have three platforms. We have music platform, video platform, and ticketing platform. And so we are making a hub to make sure that all the content creators have one platform to seamlessly integrate their users.
Okay. So what's your 1 minute pitch to everyone?
So 1 minute pitch is so we are a technology company integrating AI in content creators world where music, video, and ticketing all in one platform. And content creators can have ability to post monetize their content on our platform, including the ones that they are already monetizing. So on top of that, they'll have benefit from monetizing their content. As well as we want to be a hub for the all the content side of in the for the creator basically.
Yeah, all the very best. So if you are a creator, content creator, or in the content business, then you need to get in touch with Gaurav.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yes, hello. Manas.
Yeah, this is Manas Mati. I'm the co-founder of Tesac AI.
Of?
Tesac AI.
Tesact AI, yes. Tell us the story of Tesact AI.
So Tesac is a AI platform built for enterprise content creators, brands, agencies, digital creators. We solve them to a simple problem because everybody wants to have more videos to be published to the platform. And there is a challenge for everybody to produce that many videos. So what you do is that we ensure that we give them and empower all the creators with the ability to produce 10x more videos at 1/3 cost. What it means that if you need to produce 10 videos in a week or a month, can you do 100 of them? And how do you do at a 1/3 cost? No increasing thing. We do a very simple thing. We take the videos, we help to contextualize the video just like human brains. And you allow people to use a simple AI tools and a prompt to define, you want to take a key moments, you want to do a high points, you want to summarize them. Essentially, we're helping them to build multi-formatted videos at a scale, including localizing with a subtitle dubbing, so that you can deliver back to the platform in as soon as possible time.
Amazing. And how accurate is the contextualizing that the platform does?
We have close to a dozen customers. That includes the likes of JioStar, Zee, Ulu Digital, Jeevan Vidya. So many of these customers are using it. I don't need to. You should try it out.
Yeah.
It works very well. We have already given to some of the largest networks in India.
Yeah.
We have many networks also outside India using the platform.
So
we'll
that
encourage you to try it
proves,
out.
that shows.
Yeah, I think,
yes.
I believe the AI proves.
Yes, yes. Yeah. So what would be your 1 minute pitch to everyone listening to you?
Yeah, I think the demand of content is growing every day. And in your business, if you're looking for an opportunity to have more videos, don't want to invest in a huge amount of labor force, post-productions, look for TechSite. We have a simple platform. This runs on a SaaS platform. Will empower you with the ability to scale your videos at 10x capacity with 1/3 cost.
Brilliant. And where are you based?
We operate from Mumbai, Bangalore, and we have a person in Delhi also.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Manas. All the very best. Very useful.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you.
Bye.
Hi, hello.
I'm Pankaj Sarda.
Pankaj, yes.
From Jeevan Sathi Ecosystem Orchestrators and Mentors LLP. I used to mentor startups, and my son is a creator. So I observed that there is a lonely fight, and there are fragmented narratives and fragmented initiatives. They are dependent upon others. There is a fragile dependency. So I felt a need for collaboration. The collaboration, if it is just transactional, it doesn't last for long. So it has to be purpose driven.
Yeah, just mic closer. Huh?
So it has to be purpose driven. So I have a framework where people can join for a massive transformative purpose, MTP. Then there is a DPI based trust verification. Then there is a potential assessment. And then there is a roadmap by Google. We have done the pilot testing on Google AI Studio. So the roadmap is laid down based on potential and their aspirations. And then we chart out the evolution path using mentor in loop AI. And then we have collaboration, we have retreats, brainstorming and all that. And then there is the orchestration using AI agents for ecosystem. So after they have come together, the challenge is how to work together, how to build consensus and all that. So we will have AI agents and orchestration platform where people will work together.
Wow, that's very, very interesting. How many people have used this till now?
We are setting up now.
Oh, you're just starting up
Yes,
now.
we are setting
And you built it?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's in pilot stage. I did it on Google AI Studio. We are looking for partners. So after we get the partners, we will work together. It will be co-built. It's not my platform. It will be co-owned platform. So platform will be working for no profit, no loss. And only those who offer services to the startups and creators, they will charge them.
Yeah.
And the platform will charge only fees. And fees will be for technology and for co-branding and co-promotion.
So do you come from a tech background?
No, I used to orchestrate implementation, SAP implementation and things like that. I was in conglomerates. I retired in 2017. So I was group head risk management. So we have all the functions and all the verticals. We used to discuss risks and opportunities. So including systems, cyber security and everything, we used to discuss. And so I felt that there is a need for holistic approach like we had in conglomerates. We had different business units and different corporate services. They all had to work together. So we did that. So I thought that startups also need. At present they may not need because they are starting. But maybe when they grow, that time they should not fall in the same trap which big organizations have fallen, that they lose innovation or they cannot be resilient to external challenges and opportunities. So I felt a need to evolve them better.
Pankaj, what is your age if I may ask?
Sorry?
How old are you if I may ask?
I am 68.
68. You know, I'm so inspired and impressed by you because when it comes to AI, everyone says, oh, the younger you are, the more you get the AI world. But today, here at AI Impact Summit, Pankaj Sarda is showing that you can be 68 and you are just starting in the AI world.
Yeah.
And he's starting in the AI world. So age is not a limit, age is not a bar to adopt and be in the tech world.
Every senior citizen can get re-mentored.
Yes.
They can mentor for wisdom and the young people can guide them with tech.
Yes, but it's so inspiring.
Yeah.
So inspiring. Pankaj Sarda, 68-year-old startup here at AI Impact Summit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Hi.
Rida,
Have you met before?
Yeah, I'm from Bangalore.
Yes.
Yeah. Pleasure to meet you.
Yes,
Good morning.
Rajesh, tell us your story.
Yeah, so we have started a new platform called Reserve. It's basically India's first AI-enabled platform for tourism experience and activity sellers. So we are already powered by ONDC, and we have already onboarded 100 plus activities, mainly Varanasi. So you can book now on Reserve, which is a seller platform, and on the other side, Highway Delight being our primary company on the buyer platform. You can book boatmen in Varanasi on Highway Delight. You can book weavers. You can book craftsmen, workshops. So just a start. It's been just 6 months that we have started this platform. And we are using AI for moderating the content on the platform, enabling the experience sellers like walk tour operators, trekking, adventure activity operators to generate quick content using AI and augment their content on the platform, and then it will visible to the customers. So already on ONDC, we are connecting this entire seller experience to 5 million plus customers.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now tell me something. What can you do more in the AI world which you couldn't do before?
Yeah, I think it has really opened up multiple dimensions. I mean, when I started Highway Delight 10 years back, I mean, it was very, very limited. We could do very limited things. But now with AI coming up, be it text, be it local content, be it videos, be it reaching out to enabling the micro entrepreneur sitting at Wayanad or Madikeri to operate a coffee walk tour using AI is what is now possible. That you don't have to know a lot of things. You can just use one or two platforms and become a micro entrepreneur and start selling the native experience of your village, of your craft, of your activity, anything around it. So just on the domain which we are operating, but of course it opens new dimensions altogether if you look at it from multiple industries perspective.
Yeah. Your 1 minute pitch.
Yeah, so here we are presenting. Reserve It as one-stop platform for experience and activity sellers in tourism industry. You can go live in 30 minutes and connect your experience activity for 5 million and more customers. And the entire platform is AI enabled to moderate your content, photographs, videos, and the platform also enables you to update your schedules, timings, payments, reconciliation, customer grievances. One-stop platform. So we are in competition with platforms like Viator or Klook. Thank you.
All the very best.
Thank you,
All the
Shraddha.
best.
They want to use the studio.
check, check. Check, check, one. Hey, check, 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 check. Check, check.
Check, 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 check. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Check, check.
Check.
Hello, hello.
Check.
Hello.
Check, check, check. Can you hear me? You can.
Hello.
Check.
Check.
Check, check.
Check, check, check. Okay?
Hello, hello, hello. Check.
Check, check.
Check, check.
Check.
Check, check.
Check, check.
Check, check. This is check, check. Check, check. थोड़ा उसका बढ़ा दो वॉल्यूम. Check, check, check. Mic check. Check.
Check, check, check.
Data